Antwon. Inside the box, you'll find the new Acronym J1A-GTKP. It should keep you safe out there, and we've made a few upgrades compared to the last version based on the data we've collected. Go on, take a look. The specification sheet is the most valuable part of the package. It's an instruction manual for everything the J1 can do. Keep it safe with the outer packaging. The chiral printer won't be able to make another one. Take a moment to get acquainted with your new gear. Then we'll run through some of those upgrades. Go ahead and equip the Acronym J1A-GTKP. Looks like it fits just right, with a little room to maneuver. Although we haven't attached a BB directly to this model, we'll think you'll find the detached entry central pocket useful. It provides easy access to the essentials out in the field. A total of 3 separate zips lock you into this jacket. A central one is your primary means of protection and temperature regulation. The top is designed to maximize coverage to protect you from timefall. A final zip opens the jacket from the bottom for better freedom of movement. And we almost forgot. The primary zip uses escape zip technology, so if things heat up, you can get out of there even faster. Acronym's gravity pockets can be found on each arm. Storing small items in here provides direct access by ejecting them into the hand. You can store security passes here for quicker access to Bridge's own facilities. And although it's not officially on the specification sheet, these can be used for quick access to snacks. The zip at the back is designed for interops functionality. You haven't unlocked the Acronym 3A, so you can't use it for now, but keep it in mind for future upgrades if you want to carry sensitive packages discreetly. I see you've already found the sleeve hitch tabs. It's another way to keep you cool out there. Can't be easy moving those goods around. If you want to customize your J1, we've included several collar decals for you to apply when in your room. The Acronym logo tape gives you instant credibility and bonus likes to every delivery while equipped, so it's highly recommended. The Storm Hood is your first line of defense against timefall. It's been redesigned with visor and circumference adjustment. You still won't be able to see BTs alone, but it'll still maximize your visibility when the going gets tough. Don't forget, it's removable too, and the collar is convertible to offer further customization. You can keep it up or fold it down. It's up to you. One final thing. We know carrying goods is your speciality, so with the jacket sling you can carry the J1 itself ready for use at a moment's notice. It won't add much to your weight limit either, thanks to the 3-layer Gore-Tex Pro fabric. I think we've covered the essentials. You can pick up the rest out there in the field. Keep on keeping on.